Hello my viewers, welcome back to our channel and happy Christmas. You all know what we do in Kamsi space. We make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. And if this is your first time in our channel, you're highly welcome. And please don't forget to hit the subscription button, subscribe, comment, like and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know, in Christmas, it's not only about eating right, you have to mix other delicacies. So in today's video, I'll be making chicken nuggets and chips. So let's get started. So the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe are flour, breadcrumbs, chicken seasoning, curry powder, pepper, grounded garlic. Now I'm going to mix the chicken, so let's drop it in a bowl. Now I'm going to mix it. So we add seasoning, the grounded ginger and garlic, some pepper, chicken spices, curry powder, salt to taste, and add small breadcrumbs. Then you can use a wooden spatula or your hand to mix it very well. With me, I'm going to use a wooden spatula. Okay, now that I'm done mixing it, I'm going to take it, then you dip it in this mixed egg. And you take it. Now get a chicken. The chicken I have already mixed. In the egg. Then in the breadcrumbs. This is very low. Then the flour. Then back in the breadcrumbs. We place them on a tray. Relax. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna keep it aside. Here, see? So they're well coated. Now I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes before frying. While the chicken is in the refrigerator, I have to get the chips ready. So I'm going to fry it. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Put one after the other. And allow it to fry. Now the chicken is done, it's frying. So we do this to the rest of the chicken nuggets. And like that. Yeah, my viewers, the chicken nuggets and chips is ready. It's so delicious. So if you love this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Remember to leave the bell icon on so you notified whenever we post a new video. Share your family, share your friends.